Hi, this is a quick demonstration of a new Vulkan scene graph example called vsgCluster. The idea of vsgCluster is to illustrate how to write custom classes, add custom serialization, and then it illustrates how to distribute the data over the network to create a cluster application where we synchronize two separate applications running on two separate computers. So I'm going to run from my desktop system as the server, and I'm going to load the same model on my laptop, which is wirelessly listening to RDDB packets being sent out by the server on my desktop machine. And what we're doing here now, we've got the model loading on both computers. And each frame we're dispatching the lookAt position of the main camera to across the network, and any of the VSG clusters running as a client will receive that lookAt information and update its own camera and then get the same view. Now if you wanted to do a full cluster, then typically you would want to offset those views as well, but we're just demonstrating exactly the same view at this point. So there's no physical connection, it's just go across the wireless network synchronizing this data. This is just the lookAt data, but potentially you could synchronize lots more different types of data with it, and it's easy to do because implementing serialization for the Vulkan scene graph is pretty straightforward. And this vsgCluster example found in vsgExamples illustrates how to do that in a very simple way. Not only can we just do static models like this, this whole system works with the database paging as well. So I'll rerun the same cluster with whole Earth database. It's two separate applications, so again I have to start both applications onto two different machines. And in exactly the same way, we can update the camera positions from the main computer, my desktop system, which is working as the server, which is dispatching the lookAt positions of the main camera to the across the network. Each of these computers is actually independently database paging. So you can see them updating at a different rate. My main desktop is across the wired network, and the laptop's for wireless, so it's a little bit slower. Database paging is entirely separate, so it's on demand for both of the machines. The only thing synchronized here is the actual lookAt position. And this is one of my home cities in Glasgow, and we'll zoom into where COP26 is happening. At the SEC Centre in Glasgow, so we'll just zoom out. Okay, so that's the vsgCluster example, now merged with vsgExamples master. Thanks for watching.